from in the beginning, and we believe in a killing, non-stop blood spilling, boy, I forget killing. Talk them willing, tiny double gripping. Yeah, I got the artilleries and extra clipping. What happened to kill him? Come on, him want to threat it. So we got to kill him. Blood spilling, find it interesting. Knife would expose him testing. Leave him on the ground, him resting.
Yo, leave him at 90 away. Shoot on this sniper, shoot on this.
Where them money are approved, boss? Them think them could have just killed Top Cat and walk free?
Real talk still. But what that have to do with bomb buckler at me? Them man they are killer, you know.
To kill a killer, it take a bigger killer.
Yo, me dying for CD. When I done do him dirty work for himself, you know.
Just get it done. You take it, make a statement. Nobody leave alive. Not even the dog. Get it done.
Yo, foot. Where G, what going on a while ago?
No, say, the G yourself but kill people.
Lie.
Yo, we are kill a boy rebel.
What?
Yeah, man. Time, you see.
This is it.
Yeah, man,
Them boy, they blow out now, take blow out now, signature last week. Eh?
Yeah, man, I'm going to take him out. You hear that?
Ah, that they talk about that. I don't think you're glad like me, you know, yo.
Cool,
See, yo,
man.
give me toe tight, yo. Give me toe tight the bad machine, yo. Give me toe.
Yeah. So what kind of empty machine the general give man to go up and work? It's a joke thing.
No, what? Serious. We have link with farmer, you see me? We have live farm.
Alright, man.
Right, that's true. Watch us.
That's easy, man.
I'll get calm for this. Yeah, I hate this, you know. Them boy they take out Top Cat last week. Eve, man, I go Eve, me bum buckler school, you know that, man, I tell you, you know, hear that? Man, what's your name? Why go on there? I wonder the white hand now, is it? Yeah, that's right.
Raven Hill. Inside the sea man who chop up Top Cat. My general, my mentor. Them take him slow and messy. No forgiveness. No truth. Only retribution. Pussies.
It's alright. That boy knows how we are going to deal with it post-foot.
Yo, so we're going to knock on the front door.